Bonjour et bienvenue. Le participe présent et le gérondif. Present participle and gerund. Present participle of a verb is framed from the new conjugation of indicative present tense. We take the new conjugation of indicative present tense, we remove the last ons and add ant. We get the present participle. Example, to speak, parler. What's the new conjugation indicative present tense? Parlons, P-A-R-L-O-N-S. That O-N-S is removed, P-A-R-L, A-N-T is added. It becomes speaking. To speak becomes speaking. Finir, F-I-N-I-S-S-O-N-S is the new conjugation. Remove O-N-S, F-I-N-I-S-S. With this, you add A-N-T, finissant. Finir, to finish. Finissant, finishing. Voir, V-O-Y-O-N-S is the new conjugation in indicative present tense. V-O-Y after removing O-N-S. With V-O-Y, we add A-N-T, seeing. Voir is to see, voyant is seeing, the present participle. We have three verbs that do not follow this pattern of making present participle. One is être. Être takes E acute accent T, A-N-T. That's the present participle. Being. Être is to be, étant is being. Next exception, avoir, ayant, A-Y-A-N-T, having. Savoir, to know, sachant, knowing. These three verbs are the exceptions in the making of present participle. When this present participle is added with en, en, it becomes gerund. En marchant, while walking, or by walking, or on walking. En mangeant, while eating. En dormant, while sleeping. En fermant, while closing. En écrivant, while writing. This is gerund. En plus present participle is gerund. When do we use this present participle? Participe présent and le gérondif. Participe présent is used when in a sentence there are two subjects and two actions. Example 1. Je vois le chien jouant sur la table. I see the dog playing on the table. I am the first subject. I see the dog playing on the table. The dog is the second subject doing the action of playing. So there are two different subjects, I and dog, two verbs, seeing and playing. Two subjects doing two actions. In this case, you use present participle. I see the dog playing on the table. I see the dog. But who is playing on the table? The dog is playing on the table. So we use present participle to make a sentence like I see the dog playing on the table. Look at example 2. J'ai rencontré mon ami mangeant dans le restaurant. I met my friend eating in the restaurant. Who met the friend? I met the friend. So first subject is I. Who was eating in the restaurant? My friend was eating in the restaurant. So my friend is the second subject. So two subjects and two actions. So we use a sentence like I met my friend eating in the restaurant. That is, I met my friend who was eating in the restaurant. Read gerundif. In gerundif, while using gerundif, you have one subject in a sentence doing two actions. While using participe présent, we have two subjects in a sentence doing two actions. But while using gerundif, you have only one subject in a sentence doing two actions. Look at example 1. Je vois le chien en conduisant la voiture. I see the dog while driving the car. Who sees the dog? I see the dog. Who is driving the car? I am driving the car. So both the actions, seeing and driving, are done by me. One subject. I see the dog while driving the car. Here, the action of driving is not done by the dog. I do the action of seeing as well as driving the car. Here I use gerondif. Je vois le chien en conduisant la voiture. I see the dog when I am driving the car. So we use gerundif, gerund, to make a sentence like I see the dog while driving the car. Je vois le chien en conduisant la voiture. Look at number 2. J'ai rencontré mon ami en mangeant dans le restaurant. I met my friend while eating in the restaurant. I met my friend. I am the first subject while I was eating, when I was eating in the restaurant. So eating is also done by me, meeting is also done by me. So one subject, I, doing two actions, meeting my friend and eating in the restaurant. Here we use le gerondif to make a sentence like J'ai rencontré mon ami en mangeant dans le restaurant. I met my friend while eating in the restaurant. There is a difference between I met my friend eating in the restaurant and I met my friend while eating in the restaurant. Present participle, two actions, two verbs and two subjects. Gerondif, two actions, one subject. Lisez et comprenez. Number 1. Voici mon ami lisant le journal. Here is my friend reading the newspaper. My friend is reading the newspaper. So, voici mon ami lisant le journal. Number 2. Voyez le chat courant dans le jardin. See the dog running in the garden. Courant, running. Number 3. On apprend en voyageant. We learn by traveling. En voyageant. This is gerund. Number 4. Je l'ai vu en conduisant. I saw him while driving. Gerund. En conduisant. Number 5. Regardez mon ami dormant. Look at my friend sleeping. Dormant, present participle. With this, we come to the end of this small lesson dealing with present participle, participe présent and le gerondif, the gerund. Please don't hesitate to go through this lesson till the content is very well understood. You have an exercise to do. Former le participe présent des verbes. Form the present participle of the verbs. 5 verbs are given. Form the present participle. Do this carefully. If you have any doubts, you will have to go through the lesson again. You may subscribe to this YouTube channel for the latest updates. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye.